Hey, Dr. Robert Inesta here from Westchester Sports and Wellness. There are natural and safe ways to treat post-concussion syndrome, very effective methods as well. And this is important to understand because the conventional model doesn't really offer much in terms of treatment of this condition. Okay, first of all, it's important to always be evaluated properly in the event of a head trauma. All right, have a neurological evaluation, make sure that anything more advanced is ruled out and treated appropriately. When that's ruled out, okay, if you fall into the category of the majority where more aggressive intervention is not required, then I think it's a good idea to start looking at these natural treatments because they, again, are very effective and can really prevent further problems. Post-concussion syndrome typically will occur days after the concussion. The symptoms can often resolve on their own within a few months, but sometimes they won't, and they'll just linger, and they can go on for over a year, sometimes multiple years. So very important to understand how to address this. Again, incredibly unpleasant condition. It can be debilitating. It can really take over someone's life. Okay, headaches, irritability, anxiety, insomnia, loss of concentration, loss of focus, loss of memory, sensitivity to noise and light. Okay, these are things that are extremely unpleasant. So what do we do for this? Now, first of all, it's important to assess the whole functional unit. So we want to obviously look at the head, we want to look at the neck, the TMJ, the shoulders, the upper back, because all of these regions will be involved. A lot of the tissues, right, they are all connected. So a lot of the symptoms that we find, say, for example, headaches in post-concussion syndrome are actually tension type headaches that stem from the neck, from the cervical spine. Right? Muscle trigger points or fascial tension points can cause these radiating patterns that will create the headache. So again, important to look at everything. Now, how do we treat? We use a combination of acupuncture, which is amazing for actually regulating brain function. There are many, many studies that demonstrate this, and it actually does create changes in the brain, so has a lot of positive effect. It can also help to release tension in these connective tissues and muscles. It can help to stimulate circulation, blood flow, which is very important for healing. And it has an overall calming effect on the body. So this is very beneficial. So that's an important one that we'll use. Now, soft tissue therapies such as Stecco fascial manipulation and active release techniques are very valuable in treating this condition. These techniques allow us to go in and really remove or release that tension in the fascia and in the muscles and restore normal movement, okay, which is very important. Then chiropractic joint manipulation to normalize the joint mechanics of the cervical spine. If there's restriction in these joints, it can also lead to further soft tissue tension. It can lead to nerve irritability. So it's important that those joints are moving properly. Again, movement is life. We want to restore as much healthy movement as possible. And then nutritional interventions, right? Encouraging an anti-inflammatory type diet and possibly even using some nutritional supplements to optimize brain function, support brain function, and also support connective tissue function, lubricate the connective tissues and resolve the inflammatory process. So this is the approach that we take, and we have really excellent results in treating this condition. So I just wanted to share that with you so that you are aware that there's hope out there and that there's something that can be done in a safe, natural, effective way. I hope you found this valuable. If you know anybody who can benefit from this information, please share this with them. And if you have any questions or feel that you can benefit from the services that we provide, feel free to contact us. info@westchestersportsandwellness.com. Also check out the website, westchestersportsandwellness.com. We have a lot of information there about what we do and the conditions that we treat. All right, thank you so much for watching this.